Hey, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to join Pocket Option affiliate program. So let's get started. You need to open your browser, you need to go to the Google and you need to write the simple keyword in the Google search Pocket Option affiliate program, and you need to open the first result, which is affiliate.pocketoption.com. So when you open this website, you need to click registration right here and you need to enter the email address and the password. So let's get started. You also need to read the affiliate agreement and you need to tick this right here. So once you will fill this, you need to click sign up right here. And as you can see, registration is complete. Now I need to check my email and verify it. So let's verify our email address. And now you can fill other personal information, your first name, last name. You can provide the links, websites, social media, guys, where you can get the traffic, guys. So you need to enter all of the sources of your traffic. You need to enter your WhatsApp number, Telegram, Skype. So these are optional, guys. Skype doesn't exist anymore. You need to enter your phone number and you can save this details. So once everything is ready, guys, you can see the menu on the left side. You can go to the affiliate links right here and you can create your campaign and you can copy the affiliate links, guys, from here, and you can promote it anywhere and bring the users to Pocket Option. And also, if there will be some questions, here is the support. You can click the support right here. There are FAQ, or you can just click the support. You can create a ticket and you can ask any question to their affiliate program support. They will assist you and solve your problem. So that's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.